Hello, children. Hope you all are fine at your home. You must have enjoyed your summer vacation. Now it's the time for the studies. So be ready and open your English book. This is your English book, New Buzzword Textbook. Today we are going to start Chapter 1, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Quixote and Sancho Panza are the two characters in the story. Let students glance at the pictures in the textbook. What do you think this story is about? Do you think that it could be an adventure story? The title of the story is Don Quixote and the Windmills. What do you understand from the title? Have you heard of windmills? Dear students, windmill is a tall building structure with long parts which are called sails that turn in the wind. The past time windmills were used for making flour from grain, but now they are used mainly for producing electricity. Windmill means एक बड़े से ढांचे पर पंखे लगे होते हैं जो हवा से घूमते हैं। इनको सेल्स कहते हैं। विंडमिल से पुराने समय में आटा पीसा जाता था, बट आजकल इनसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस की जाती है। लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग। वन डे Don Quixote decided to set off in search of adventure, but first he went off to talk to Sancho Panza. Sancho was a foolish man who lived with his wife and children. Sancho Panza, get ready. I need a squire to share my adventures and help me on the journey. Will you go with me? But sir, I am only a poor laborer, and how can I leave my family behind? Don Quixote was not one to back down. We will defeat many knights, gather many riches, and conquer many kingdoms. In return for your services, I will make you the governor of an island. Just think of how grand that would be. Oh, if your honor will promise me this, I will gladly serve you. So, children, Don Quixote was an eccentric man who faces himself as one of the brave knights he has read about. So sure is he of his success. He asked a poor laborer called Sancho Panza to be his squire by promising to conquer an island and make him the governor, and they started for the same. Do you know what is an adventure? Yes, an adventure is an exciting experience that is typically a bold. For example, traveling, exploring, skydiving, mountain climbing, etc. तो डॉन किहोटे ने सैंचो पैंजा को अपने साथ एडवेंचर पर चलने को कहा और उसे आइलैंड का गवर्नर बनाने का प्रॉमिस किया। Now that Don Quixote had a squire, nothing could stop him from having grand adventures. But there was a small problem. Sir, I cannot run very fast and I have no horse to ride upon. May I follow you on my donkey? None of my books tell me that squires ride donkeys. But yes, you may bring the animal along. Once we find a disrespectful knight, we shall defeat him and take his horse. Until then, you can ride this donkey. One evening, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza set out ready for the excitement of adventure. Suddenly, look over there, my friend. There are at least 30 great giants standing there. I shall fight and defeat them all. What? Giants, sir? So, children, here we came to know that Sancho did not have horse to ride. He asked for the permission to take his donkey for ride. Don answered, "You would take your donkey along." And he said, "I would defeat a knight or king on the way and will take his horse." Children, do you know what is knight? Knight means specially trained soldier of high rank, मतलब साहसी पुरुष। डॉन किहोटे ने बोला, हम रास्ते में किसी सोल्जर को हराकर उसका हॉर्स ले लेंगे, तुम तब तक अपना डोंकी अपने साथ ले लो। So, children, one evening both were ready for the adventure. Don looked at the windmills, but he thought that these are the giants waving their arms. Sancho हैरान होकर पूछता है, What? Giants? एक शाम जब दोनों एडवेंचर की तैयारी में थे, तब डॉन विंडमिल्स को देखकर समझता है कि ये दैत्य खड़े हैं और सेंचो उसको समझाता है कि सर, ये दैत्य नहीं है। Dear children, page number 7, 8 and 9 will be read and explained in the next video. Till then you read the page number 5 and 6 of your new buzzword textbook and complete the assignment. Okay children, goodbye, take care, stay home, stay safe.